The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today, we are going to do something a little different. This is not a subscription, but it is a mystery box, and it's from Tarte Cosmetics. I really do like Tarte products. I've got some, I like their concealer. I like some of their eyeshadow palettes I've had fun with. So when I do Tarte, put up there, you get 4 full-size items for $55, and the value of these products should be $100 at least. So I want to get into this box and see what I got. I don't know what's in here. They just kind of like, it looks like I might get, a mascara, which I'm hoping, because I do like Tarte's mascara. A lot of their especially their Tartiste. So yeah, let's see what Tarte got, sent me. And this is so awkward. Well, I nearly cut off a finger trying to open up the tape so I could open this box. Let's see. And I still didn't get all the tape, did I? No, of course not. This is like, it's almost like a running gag. I can't open anything. Okay. Tarte break down beauty boundaries, rethink natural, and always be kind. Now, I always tell everybody, you be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Cute. It's got the whole palm thing, which is Tarte. Purple and... Let's see here. It's all nicely wrapped in here. Ooh, okay. Oh, Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This is one of their mascaras I've never tried. Okay, is it taped up? Okay, yeah. I'm like, I can't open this. There's a running thing here, isn't there, always? I'm just going to rip the box. It's like, I don't want to rip the packaging. I want to open this nice and neatly. Screw that. Fuck it. We're just going to pop this bitch open. It's so bright pink. I love it. I want to see the brush. Ooh, that's a nice. I like the curvature in there. It's like it got that hourglass frame. Smells like mascara. Nothing, but not like, Ooh, I like how it locks. That's cool. I can't wait to try this mascara. Okay, see what else I've got in here. Double Duty Beauty Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, okay. This is... Yep, I was running low in this, so hooray. Yeah, I'm almost out, so yeah, this is great. This is the right color for me. Perfect. And I did get to say what color is good for me when it came to concealer, in case they put the concealer in there, which is nice. Okay, this is a Tarte's Remix Lip Gloss. I do not have this. So this is it. Oh, look at that gloss. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. It is so shimmery. Oh my gosh. And it smells so yummy. I gotta put some on my lips because, folks, I love my gloss. I love lip gloss. Oh, and I love the smell of this one. It's so pretty. I like it. I think I look good. Now, what do you think? Okay, and this is their Timeless Soothing Primer is a sample of their, I'll try their Timeless Soothing. Now, what else is in here? Everyday Neutrals Eye and Cheek Palette. Eye and cheek. Let's see what this... Okay. I figured it out. Oh, wait, open this. Okay, cute. cute little, they got Glow Up, Sweetie Pie, Adore, Clever, Charming, and Delight. That's the name of the, oh, this is cute. Okay, Tarte. Cute, cute, cute. This is a nice, good, neutral palette, and it's got a kind of a nice, you could use on your cheeks and the highlight. I like it. Yep, this is cute, and it's a nice, good size. And I love the packaging, how it feels. It's easy to open and close. I have arthritis, so you all know I have a hard time opening things. We all know this. So, I don't know what the prices are on these items to see if I got my $100 deal or not. So, let me do a wrap up and we'll find out in just a few moments. Tarte, Tarte, Tarte. I see what you did here. Okay, so I did my research and found some interesting developments. I am not. Now, this is supposed to be worth $100. So, if you do go buy the whole price of these products, it's exactly $100, which means you saved $45 on your products. Is that a pretty good price? Yeah, it's not like super good, but it's good. You know, I'm not mad. However, a couple of these items are actually on sale on their website. Yes, 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 you heard me right. On sale on the website. The limited edition Big Ego mascara sells for $23. It's on sale for $12 on their website. The Everyday Neutrals Eye and Cheek Palette is $30, but it's on sale for $25. Now, the Shape Tape Concealer is still $27. It's not on sale. And the Remix Lip Gloss is $20. And that's the normal price that you would pay for a lip gloss, a liquid lip, or anything. So, basically, you either, this box is worth $100 or it's worth $84. I'm a little bit annoyed. I mean, I expect to see items on here that they would want to be pushing out to bring in new, but that's shady. So you either save $45 or you could look at it and say, no, I actually only saved $29. And at that, I'm just like, well, you know, I saved. Do I feel like, wow, what a great deal? No, not really. Not really. But am I glad I got this box? Yeah. Will I do this again for Tarte? Yes, because I actually like Tarte products. I like the products that I got. There's certain things of theirs that are staples in my makeup routine. And, you know, yeah, I'm wearing, what am I wearing? I'm wearing, using their setting mist. I got their concealer on today. I have a new eyeshadow palette that I'm going to talk about in another video. I tried to make a look and I don't know, it feels kind of muddy. I'm kind of disappointed. But yeah, so if you want to find out about what eyeshadow palette is really disappointing, you know, just check me up on my next video. Bye, everybody. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Please like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And yeah. I'll see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.